What's up, bitches? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I just changed from my usual child-friendly intro, but sorry, yeah, I'm really tired right now and I freaking don't care. So anyway, today I'm going to be doing a collab with, um, this girl, I Love Mint, yeah. And we are going to be, KK, and we are going to be doing, an exposing hacker prank. Sorry about this, it's just a Google theme. Okay, movie star. Okay, so anyway, basically we're gonna be giving like people that look like Packers our wait, why am I saying Packers? I guess I'm just used to MSP blocking the word hackers. So yeah, we're just gonna make random accounts and then just I guess tell our password and see if they do pack us, so that it's kind of like exposing Packers, as the title will be. So, I'll be back when this account is finished. So, basically, this is the account I made, and her name's You Can't Pack Me 123. So, let's just. Okay, goodbye, Pixie Star. Oh my gosh. Okay, she's recording, I'm recording, we're both recording. I don't know why I said that, but I did, so yeah. So I guess now I find out what her username is. What's your user? Mine is, what was it again? You can't pack me 123. I knew it, wouldn't let me say it. Mine is, you can't pack me 123 without the spaces. Okay, I can delete this now. Wait, recording. Collab with I Love Mint. The hell? Well, okay, guess looks like I'm not going to be doing that then. Sorry for the wait, and sorry that I'm really boring, but look, yeah. Also, I haven't been recording lately, but that is purely because I've been super busy, and obviously it's the holidays, so like I'm not going to spend my whole time just sitting here doing nothing, although I practically do that most of the time. But yeah, it's just, yeah. Let's change the color of this hat to something more aesthetic and change this blonde kind of color to something more blonde. What the heck? Where did my blondish go? Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, you see, and now we're good. So if we put this, I guess it can just be better. Sorry about this, it's just, hold on. I'm trying to level up so that I can get some more like leveling gifts, because it's fun. I mean, you know what I mean, it's fun. Also, yesterday I went to the movies and watched Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle. It's a really good movie, you should go watch it. So, unless it's just a New Zealand thing, I don't know. Probably not, but I'm just like so used to New Zealand being like dumb. Just gonna say that, dumb. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting stuff because this account will probably get packed anyway, but why not? Haha, nobody can pack me. Ooh, oh my god, that. Nope. Oh my god, not this. So I'm gonna have to be honest, I am actually kind of freaking out because like I got packed a while ago on my main account and that scared the hell out of me. So yeah, just seeing it like log out, just oh my god, it just freaks me out even thinking about it. So and to think that there are hackers out there, I'm just really freaking out right now. Okay, what is her name? Don't pack me. Okay. That spaces. What's her name? Let's see. Don't pack me. Is that it? Or is it? Oh, this one, right. Okay. Ooh, she customized it. I didn't. I just went with this. Okay, but anyway. Let's. Okay, she's creating it. and she's my friend. Good. Now we can get started. So now I'm in the cafe chat room. Please don't pack me. This is failing because like she's not gonna pack me. I mean she's like, I don't know. Oh, this is no. What? What's a better place to be? Okay, there are no more cafes. Sad. Going to the beach then. Let's see, anyone that looks like a well, this guy doesn't. I don't even know what that says. Okay, I'll be right. I'm just gonna do this some bits without talking because I can't be bothered to talk. This girl looks promising. What the hell? Okay. Sorry if you can hear my parents in the background. They're just talking. And background noise because like I'm not a perfect YouTuber. I tell people not to pack me. Same, this is failing. Okay, so oh my god, shut up guys, I'm recording. Be right back. Look at this girl, she is so aesthetic, like oh my god. She is actual. Oh my gosh. Please. Oh right. Yeah. My path is unicorns. Wait, what was it again? Unicorns 1, 2, 3, right? Oh, you bitches. Okay. My path is unicorns 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, you stupid bitch is. Okay. My path is unicorns 1, 2, 3. You stupid fucking idiots. Don't share your password ever. Oh my god, no. I just want to smash the computer right now. Okay. Mine is unicorns 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, this has failed. And I'm about to cry because no, I'm not gonna cry. Never mind. Mine's failing because I can't give my password. It won't let me. Idiots. What did this person say? Hey. What's the boss? Unicorn 1, 2, 3. Mine is unicorn 1, 2, 3. Let me say it. That's my path. Okay. I have. What does HRU stand for? HRU. What the heck? Human resources. Okay, I don't even know what that means. Okay, I have 1,000. I don't even know what that says. Stuff coins. Please don't pack